Hi guys, my name's Brian. I'm new to the Bangmuckers channel. This is gonna be my first video. So for my mukbang, I had some Ritz crackers. I got hungry earlier, so I ate the majority of them. But I also got some peanut butter and some cheese. And for my drink of choice, I'm gonna have some ginger ale. Okay, and there's a bonus item at the end, but I'll let you guys see that at the end. So for the cheese, we got some just Kraft American, you know, the classic kind. I can really taste the processed cheese. Can't taste much actual cheese. Yeah, that brand isn't that good. So now we're gonna move to peanut butter. For this, we got some HEB brand peanut butter made in Texas with extra honey. I don't have a spoon on me right now. Yeah, that's pretty good peanut butter. I think it'd go really nice with the crackers, which I'm about to eat right now. Yeah, I can really taste the honey in that peanut butter. These are just Ritz crackers. Everyone knows them. Everyone loves them. They're the classic Ritz crackers. Yeah. I'm gonna get my drink and then we'll go to the bonus item. Yeah, that was pretty good. Some ginger ale. I'm a big fan of the ginger. Can't really taste the ale. Anyway, for my bonus item, we got some paper from a bag of popcorn. It's a real savory one. I can taste the brandy is melting away. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys on my next mukbang. This is Brian, out.